Hi, welcome back to understand the fifth program on microcontroller and embedded system laboratory. The program is to find the square of a number between 1 to 10 using the lookup table. So we are going to have a table called as table 1 which is going to store the squares of the numbers from 0 to 10. As you can see, it is 0, 1, 4, 9, 10 and 19. It goes on. All these values are going to be the hexadecimal number and we are going to declare the type as DCD. We start the program with an area assembler directive. The name given to the program is square. Code is saying that it's a machine set of instructions that we are storing or a code block and it is read only by default. These are the starting point of the program. We first load the address of the lookup table into the register R0. That means if my table value lookup table address is going to be 00018, that is stored in the register R0. We are finding the square of a number 3 in 3 and that we are storing in the register R1. We have the next instruction move R1 comma R1 with the logical shift left by 2 bits. That means first it does this barrel shifter, which is a logical shift by left with 2 bits on R1, and that operation will be moved to the register R1. So now in the R1 we have the value as 3. When we make the logical shift left, so this bit is going to take this position and this bit will come onto here, and then we have the last LSB which is going to be 0. Second shift, when it is being done, we are going to have the value as 1100, which is nothing but 12, and in hexadecimal number it is C. The next instruction is to load the address of the element in the lookup table. So we are going to have an instruction called as add the values of R0 and R1 and then move it to R0. So it adds 024 with the contents of R0 and then it is the value which is going to be C as your answer, which is 024, nothing but the address where I have the square of the number 3. It goes to the lookup table and then load that value, which is 9, into the register R3. This is a convenient way of stopping the program, which is a branch instruction saying go back to this same label, and we have the end of this program. Now let us execute this program by using Keil Microvision 4. And as I have given more number of steps in explaining how the program have to be executed, so I directly go and compile the program, hoping that you all know how to execute it. Now I'll build the program is without errors and no warnings are there. Let us run the program. It goes to the evaluation mode. I say okay. The first instruction, let's execute it. That means the address of this table 1 is moved to the register R0. Now here the value of R0 is going to have the address of the label table 1. Now it is 18. Let's check in this memory location what is there here in 18. And as you can see, all these values are 4-byte boundary and we have the numbers being stored here. The next instruction to execute is storing the value for which the number has to be found the square. So it is in R1, which is 3. And now I execute this again. R1 is going to perform this logical shift and then the value is moved. So it is 0C. Left operation is being done. Again, it adds a value with 018. The address is 0024. And when you look at what is there in the 0024 location, it is going to be the square of the number for which we want to find. So it is 09 and that gets loaded to the register R3. Now R3 contains the value of the square of the number that we are going to find. So when you go to the next instruction to be executed, it is going to be an infinite loop stopping at that instruction. This is a convenient way to stop the program. This is the way that we are going to execute the program and we have understood how to find the square of a number. By changing the value into your register, you can run the program and find out whether you are getting the square of all the numbers by n number of iterations. You can do it. And I hope you understood this program. Thank you for watching this video.